Routine features a very powerful mechanisms called the dashboard. The dashboard is only available on Routine Desktop, which is macOS, Windows, or Linux. You can see it here in Settings and then Plugins. Dashboard, which is enabled by default again on desktop. The dashboard is an overlay that is displayed on top of your current context to interact with Routine very quickly. You can invoke it, open it through a hotkey, which you can configure here in hotkeys, as you can see here. So it looks like something like this, which is when I press the hotkey, you have the overlay that is displayed on top of your current context. The dashboard features the task of the day, the upcoming events, and in the middle, a console for interacting with Routine very quickly. Now, the most common thing is just to create a task quickly to remind yourself to do something later. So like call John. Do that. And the idea is that it's so fast that you can capture information and go back to work without having to switch context and maybe lose your flow. So something like blah, 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 enter. All of those end up in the inbox, but that's another story. Now, the console allows for natural language capabilities and spatial keywords to attach more information to your tasks. You could say something like call Barbie, apply maybe a label, work, a priority, medium, and maybe plan, let's say, on the 1st of May, 2026. You do something like this, and then you go to the 1st of May, you will see the task call Barbie with the two things. Now, the console also allows for creating notes and other things which I will not cover here right now. But the idea is that it's the primary channel for you to capture information. Now, if you want to push it a bit further, there is a very powerful mechanism as well related to the dashboard for creating more than tasks or notes. If you remember, Routine has been designed to be very extensible, where you can create additional types. When you start using Routine, you have things like calendar, event, page, person, task. All of those are kind of built-in types to manipulate tasks, pages, contacts, and calendars. As you can see, you can create custom types, which allows to give more meaning to your environment. Maybe you want to track your objective, your project, or your customers. All of those are possible. Let's take customers, for instance. I've created a type named customer, which is nothing more than a title and some notes. And if I go back, I go to the customer database, which is this icon, or that you can find here as well, you can see all of your customers. And you can create a new customer like this, or through this, by just clicking here, and you say customer Z. All of that works, as you can see here. But sometimes you want to create those objects, as we call them, very quickly by leveraging the quick aspect of the capture through the dashboard. And that's possible. You could say customer, let's say O, and use the as keyword to then specify which type of object you are currently creating, like customer. If you do that, and then you press enter, and now you navigate back to your database of customers, you will see customer O now part of it. So long story short, the dashboard is the primary channel for capturing information. Your task could be used for your notes as well. You can use natural language to plan, but also for your custom objects.